Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the head strap on HTC Vive Focus Vision. To adjust it, first open this top strap and loosen it. Then you can find the quick adjustment button on the back of your head strap, and when you press on it you can pull out the head strap all the way out. Then you can put your headset on and first adjust the back by scrolling this wheel. You can see it tightens when I scroll it, and when it's comfortable in the back you can adjust the top strap so it sits nicely. And now it's ready. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.